Welcome to the class. Today is going to show you how to prepare for the handstand. Let's begin. Try not to wider than your shoulder. So shoulders, hand is one straight line. Push down. And the feet on the wall. Push against the wall. Strong muscle. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Release. So some people has a problem with wrist. So just to be careful, if wrist is saying, oh, no, I don't want to do it, then please feel free to drop down the elbow. So this is your practice. Listen to your body always. Then we're gonna do gentle massage on the hand. So define the angle, push, push, push. Thank you so much joining me today. This handstand preparation is a very short exercise. So you can train with at home or without the pole, and anything, anytime in the hotel room even you can train. So let's keep it up. I hope to see you next video. See you soon.